This stunning, 5,500 plus square foot property is a custom-built home with 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bath and luxurious finishes throughout, and boasts a professionally landscaped yard, oversized 3-car garage, an open floor plan and beautiful architectural details. The main floor features engineered hardwood floors, high windows with a gorgeous backyard view and beautiful stone fireplace in the great room. Additional features include a home office with built-in bookshelf, as well as a fabulous eat-in kitchen with granite countertops, top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, Kraftmate cabinetry and oversized walk-in pantry. The primary suite includes a jetted tub, a large, tiled shower with a rain head and a spacious walk-in closet. The upper level offers 3 more ensuite bedrooms and an additional room that can be easily adapted into an extra bedroom, game room, craft room, or whatever fits your needs. The lower level den is spacious and has ample storage. The soaring ceilings and large windows allow much revitalizing natural light and beautiful views of the golf course and surrounding forest. The location is perfect. Located in the prestigious Branson Hills gated community, located just across from the Branson RecPlex community.